Alright, to finish our chocolate eclairs, we're going to cut the top off of the eclair. You want to go about 2/3 of the way up, not half, right? 2/3. That'll make the eclair look nice and tall. And you want to just go ahead and cut the whole middle section out here, just like that. Any of this extra fluff inside, if it's still super connected, you can cut it away, or you can grab it and remove it. Our next step is going to be to fill this with fudge sauce. So go ahead and grab your fudge. And pipe it about half full. Next we'll add our brownie strip. We'll insert this in here. And that should bring your level right up to the top here. And we'll go ahead and whip our chocolate chantilly. You want to be really careful when you're whipping this. It over whips super fast and gets grainy, and it's really unpleasant to eat. As you can see, I'll whip it by hand a lot, or at least finish the whipping by hand. Even with a spatula, it can help just super slowly, gives you a lot of control. You want it to kind of do that. Go ahead and load your bag with an 865 tip. And then we're going to pipe a nice tall spiral, starting on the left side. To do this, you want to keep your angle pretty low, about 30 degrees, and pipe nice big rounds that just sit on top of each other and cover all of your edges here. You shouldn't be able to tell that this was cut open after you piped everything on top. When you finish, go ahead and flick the end so it cuts off the tip nice and cleanly. It should be pretty tall, you can see from the side profile here. And it looks like we've got 6 spirals. 6 to 7 is kind of a good rule of thumb. Our next step, we're going to take 4 pieces of brownie. These are about the size of my pinky. I'm going to place one here, another halfway down the eclair on the same side, and then you're going to place 2 on the alternate side. One right in the middle, and one right on this last piece here. The final touch, very lightly, you're going to take a microplane and a chocolate baton. And you're just going to shave a small amount of chocolate on the side here. Just gives it one last finishing touch, a little bit of elegance, and that's your completed eclair.